Good morning, everyone. Today I'm outside with a tutorial on Rummikub. Lay out the tiles face down. Each player draws 14 tiles and places them in their rack. Arrange your tiles consecutive numbers, same color, and like number, different colors. On your first turn, you have to lay down a total of 30 points, and there's a minimum of 3 tiles per set that you lay down. So for my first turn, I don't have anything that equals 30. So I can't go. Then you need to draw a tile if you cannot go. When it comes back to you, if you still cannot lay down a total of 30 points with 3 tiles per set minimum, then it's time to draw another tile, and play passes on to the next player. So finally on this turn, I have points that add up to 30 or more. So here, 10, 11, 12, right there, that's consecutive numbers, same color. I can also place these down too. I don't have to lay them down right away because I already laid this down. That equaled more than 30, but I can. So I did. Play continues and your opponent begins to lay their sets of 3 or more on the board. You can start to play on their sets as well as your own. Well, for example, my opponent laid that set of 2, 3, 4 consecutive numbers, same color. I have a 5. I can go ahead and add it onto that one. You can also use a number from an existing set as long as you leave behind 3 or more tiles in the previous set, and then you make a new set from your own. So I grabbed 2 other 5s from my rack and made a brand new set. There are 2 jokers in the game. Some people have a rule that you must play your joker right away if you have it in your hand. To play a joker, simply use it as a tile that you're missing. So I'm missing the 5 in this consecutive set. So once the joker has been played, it's free to be used again and again as long as you have the number, which I do, to replace it. So I replaced it, but now I must use it immediately on the table with 2 numbers from my own rack. I'm going to turn it into a 7 now. So now the next player that has a 7 can take it and use it immediately on the table. First player to empty his rack wins the game. So if you've been wondering why this crazy lady's outside every single day doing random things, it's because I'm trying to get outside every day, no matter what the weather is, for a whole year. I'm hoping that this will kind of get me through the winter nice and easy and happy and funsy. So please hit that subscribe button if this is something that you're interested in and you want to see if I can actually make this happen. Not really sure if I can, but I'm going to give it a try. So I think that was a blue jay. Thanks for watching.